Hello, this reading is going to be about the missing woman from Lancashire. I hope I'm saying that right. United Kingdom, Nicola Bulley. She's been missing since January January 27th. And I think her husband said, or it was said, the only things I know is she has 2 daughters and she was walking the dog. Okay, here we go. So I had to pull this first. This fell out and that fell out, so I haven't seen it yet. The Horseman. It's an extra card in this deck. The meaning is death, disaster in the form of the loss of wealth or property, a horrible defeat, the end of a bloodline. The bonnet, caution. Protect yourself and others in a motherly way. Take precautions. Watch out for preventable harms, making sure someone's health is taken care of. 2 of Wands. So, an alliance. I'm waiting for the results about this. To me, is somebody moved. Somebody drove her somewhere. Okay, and he's got a sword. I can't find my Tarot meanings. I think this is the extra card. I don't think it's the King of Swords, but it could be. If it is, I will list it down below. I don't like he's got a bloody sword. So death, loss of wealth and property, end of a bloodline, caution in a motherly way, waiting for results, travel, and especially because he's on a horse, I would say this man was drove her somewhere. All right, let's get a couple more. Nicola Bulley, what happened? Where are you? King of Wands. 2 kings. This is about counsel of a minor child. Somebody didn't like the way somebody parented. Somebody wanted to be an only parent. Something weird like that. Let's see. The bonnet. 5 of Pentacles. So wanted to leave somebody out in despair. In the cold. Financial, again, more financial loss. Bankruptcy. Sick. And isolating. Okay. Caution, the mother. Losing money. Mother, children. Legal counsel about children. Waiting. What are you waiting for? What are we waiting for? Waiting. Nicola Bulley. It's waiting, but it's going to be a loss. It's in reverse. Waiting for the loss. And what are they losing? So maybe somebody had a gambling problem, and that's why all this money is lost. Let me get one of these. There's a book here. Let's see the book. Okay, I can't then. Get one of these. Nicola, what is this about? Nicola Bulley, last walking the dogs. Husband says she vanished out of thin air. Service. I feel good when I can help others. So gambling, losing money, losing property. Service. This is about being of service. I feel good when I can help others. Getting enabling. I don't know why. All right, let me get one of these. Ooh, that wind is brutal. Lord of Lore. Interesting. And that's not the deck I was going for. I was going for this, but I got this. Lord of Lore. So what I'm seeing is all alleged speculation, but possibly the husband, money, kids issue. Money, property. Lord of Renewal. A man overspending, a man overgiving, a man being cheap, a man spending money on the wrong things, a man losing a lot of money, a man possibly gambling. This could be the woman too. A man trying to get, or a woman, child support or legal counsel. Lord of Lore. Renewal. The questions are: what ethical action is needed? How can you be true? Work and creativity. What needs renewal? What has to be finalized or discontinued? Health and well-being. What fear grips you? What story dispels fear? Love and friendship. What needs to move on? What needs renewal? Quote, I bestow the gift of renewal. When things look dead, you can bring new life out of the dark. All right, let me get one of these. Nicola Bulley, what is all of this about? What's this about? Where are you? Mythological creature. Sphinx, religion, UFO, centaur, superstition, statue, banshee, Baba Yaga, folklore, cyclops, campfire, epic, urban legend, vampire, Medusa, prehistory, angel, magic, kraken, dragon. So maybe one of them were having an affair and was gonna leave the other one, but that got stopped somehow. Let me get one more of these because that's too random. But I am. Hopefully, this isn't a Maya Miletti thing where this guy's spending thousands on magic spells to keep his woman when he should just go find someone that is more suitable for him. Oh, how did you get in there? Okay. Two of Cups. So there is a love kind of thing here. Two twos, and that would be a cord. Somebody wanted someone else to act accordingly while somebody else was being guarded, armored, sneaky, slithery. I need one more of the Narada, please. Can you tell me, Nicola, what's this about? Came in reverse, but end evil rule. Hero, final battle, oppression, communism, tyrant. That's what I'm getting. Somebody has a tyrant. Fascism, magic sword. Oh, I don't like that. Magic sword, courage, villain, revolutionaries, chosen one, resistance, the cavalry, fiend, desperate plan, evil emperor. Okay, I think this might allegedly speculation end up going back to the husband. Where are you, Nicola? Get 3 cards. Where are you? Judgment. I don't know. Do they have a little Chinatown in UK? A Great Wall. Tofu shop. Where are you? Let me get one of these. Where are you? Arcade. Nostalgia. Arcade. Competitive victory success. Did somebody revive things with someone from the past? A childhood love? A childhood romance? A young love? Maybe she's near somebody's house that she used to date way back in the past. Nicola, where are you? Where are you? Ten of Cups. So I'm thinking, and isn't that kind of England? That architecture. I'm thinking Gregorian. Is that Gregorian? I can't think. Near her home. She might be near her house. Might be near somewhere where somebody works, where somebody plays. Where the sun is the weakest. Where somebody, okay, near her house, I'm thinking. Let me get one last card. Nicola, where are you? I could shuffle. Nicola, where are you? Near her mother's house. Near where she became a mother. It's definitely got children, money, property. Nicola, where are you? King of Pentacles. Okay, hold on. So consultation. Is this another one? This feels like a Maya Maleti situation. Not accusing, but just saying, because 3 kings is consultation. So somebody is like literally going, somebody either went for divorce, child support, alimony, sole custody, joint custody. Somebody had already got the ball rolling. But this is in reverse. This is losing money again. I think our husband was losing lots of money. And I don't know how. Alleged speculation. Intolerance, jealousy of others' success, losing material possessions. Okay, leave that there. Hopefully she's home soon. Godspeed. Thank you.